guys! Welcome to our Basic Bisaya channel. My name is Reancy.
And I'm Gary.
In today's video, we will gonna learn the particle an, which is og in Bisaya, spells as U and G.
As always guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our videos. With that being said, let's jump straight into the video right now and show you how to use the particle ug. Let's see how you use the particle ug between words first. Our first example for you is you and me.
Ikaw og ako. Ikaw og ako.
You and me is ikaw og ako. Salt and pepper.
Asin og paminta. Asin og paminta.
Salt and pepper, asin og paminta. Aunt and uncle.
Tia og tio. Tia og tio.
Tia og tio means aunt and uncle. Our next example is pencil and paper.
Lapis og papel. Lapis og papel.
Pencil and paper, lapis og papel. You can also use ug between names. Adam and George.
Adam og George. Adam og George.
Adam and George. Adam ug George. Cat and dog.
Iring og iro. Iring og iro.
Cat and dog. Iring ug iro. Now our last example of using the particle ug between words is oil and water.
Mantika og tubig. Mantika og tubig.
Oil and water, mantika ug tubig. Now let's have a look at how we use particle ug between sentences and phrases. And our first example for you is I play basketball and ride the bike.
Nagadula ko og basketball o nagabisikleta. Nagadula ko og basketball o nagabisikleta.
I play basketball and ride the bike. Nagadula ko og basketball og nagabisikleta. Let's have a look at the vocabulary in that phrase.
Nagadula comes from the root word dula, which means play.
Ko is the short form of ako, and that means I or me. The first ug in the sentence, spelled og, roughly translates as a or an. The second ug, which we're focusing on in this video, is and.
Nagabisikleta comes from the root word bisikleta, which means bike. Nagabisikleta on this sentence means ride the bike.
Put that sentence back together again. We have
Nagadula ko og basketball o nagabisikleta.
I play basketball and ride the bike. Let's take a look at another phrase now. Fatima and Alice will go shopping.
Mangumpra si Fatima og Alice. Mangumpra si Fatima og Alice.
Fatima and Alice will go shopping. Mangumpra si Fatima og Alice. Let's break down this phrase now.
Mangumpra from the root word kumpra means to shop. In the sentence, mangumpra means will go shopping.
Si is used as a subject marker for the personal noun, which is Alice. And if you need any more understanding on how subject markers work, we'll link to a video we've previously made. So check that one out guys for more subject markers.
Obviously, Alice and Fatima are both personal nouns. And og means an in this sentence. Mangumpra si Fatima og Alice.
Fatima and Alice will go shopping. And our last example for you is Lynn will clean and Adam will cook.
Manlimpyo si Lynn og magluto si Adam. Manlimpyo si Lynn ug magluto si Adam.
Lynn will clean and Adam will cook. Manlimpyo si Lynn ug magluto si Adam. We're going to have a look quickly at how this one breaks down now.
Manlimpyo comes from the root word limpyo, which means clean. Manlimpyo in the sentence means will clean.
Again, C is the subject marker for the personal noun.
Lynn and Adam are our personal nouns.
The word magluto comes from the root word luto, which means cook. Magluto is will cook in this sentence.
Manlimpyo si Lynn ug magluto si Adam.
Lynn will clean and Adam will cook. So guys, that covers our video on the particle ug. We hope you understand it and you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to drop a like on our videos, and if you're new around here, why not consider subscribing as well. And as always guys, have a great day.
See you in another video!